When one port stops, $X billion of shoes are late and margins vanish. That's not dramatic language, that's real profit risk. Here's how Nike manages a global machine that can break overnight. I'm EconomiQ. We explain the intersection of markets, policy, and industry. Today, the supply chain math behind Nike and the real signals that tell you whether margins survive the next shock. Most viewers think supply issues mean delay. Investors think in margins. A 10% spike in shipping or 6 weeks of factory shutdowns cut into gross margins fast. We'll show the math and the hedges. First, footprints. Raw materials in Vietnam, stitching shops in Indonesia, assembly in China, final QC in Malaysia. If one node fails, you can't just switch supplier overnight. Capacity is constrained. Example math. Assume 1 meter per batch. Shipping cost up $20 per pair gives $20 million hit. If Nike's gross margin on that SKU is $30 per pair, a $20 jump kills most profit for that batch. This is why supply control equals earnings control. Raw material price swings rubber, synthetic fabrics, and labor availability drive cost. Nike uses long-term contracts, but those have a limit when commodities spike globally. When ports clog, everything waits. Container rates spike. Air freight is an option, but costs 5 to 10x. Brands must decide: eat the cost, raise price, or delay sell. None are good. Tariff changes, export controls, and regional disputes can force resourcing. Retooling factories is expensive. Watch tariffs, not tweets. Real policy changes create real balance sheet pain. Nike hedges with inventory buffers, multi-sourcing, supplier financing, and shifting more to DTC to control distribution. Those are real levers, but they cost money and CapEx. What to watch? Days sales, inventory rising, freight cost spikes, increased use of air freight, delay notices in earnings calls. If you see two of these together, margins may compress next quarter. Example: during global lockdowns, lead times tripled and a handful of SKUs lost seasonality, costing predictable revenue. Nike's response: build up onshore capacity and digital fulfillment investments. Supply chains are financial levers disguised as logistics. If you want to understand Nike as a financial story, watch margins and shipping, not just product launches. Which signal worries you most? Ports, labor, or tariffs? Comment 1, 2, or 3. Subscribe for the follow-up deep model.